Hi, how are you? This video, I'm going to talk about what can mess up your account, things which you may do without knowing that they can damage your PayPal account. The first one on the line is using a VPN connection when you're connecting to your PayPal account. For example, my browser, I have this BrowSec add-on. So some people use VPNs when they're accessing their PayPal accounts, and it kind of messes up your account. It's actually against the terms and conditions of PayPal to use a VPN. Okay, so you can have a VPN, but make sure it's always switched off when you are going to PayPal. Maybe you can put it on when you're doing other stuff. A VPN kind of encrypts your connection for safety, but on PayPal, it's kind of seen as a different thing. You don't have to hide, actually. It's so sad. So if you're a fan of VPN, it will kind of lead to your account being suspended. All right. So sometimes it may not be a VPN, but the connection that you may be using may not be safe. All right. So that's why they usually recommend using a private network instead of a public Wi-Fi. Number two is multiple logins. You may be logged in this browser, and you're logged in on the phone, maybe on an app. You may be logged in from you logged in on a phone, then you forgot to log out, then you log in on a computer. Kind of that can actually lead to your account suspension, like the case of this account. So you have to be careful not to log in from different browsers. Sorry, different devices. You have to stick to one device. All right. So changing devices can mess up your account. It's kind of paper is too strict. Number three is some people have an habit of refunding money because it came on hold. It's kind of a shortcut to when money comes on hold, like maybe for someone send the money and comes on hold, like it's like maybe for 21 days. So instead of waiting, you can usually try to click on and then you refund. Usually there's a refund option. Then when that money goes back, the sender can try to resend the money, and surprisingly, that money can come in a verbal balance. It's kind of a trick which people use, but actually, if you try to refund a lot, that is actually you're showing your account is having chargebacks. Okay, chargebacks usually it's because someone requested a refund, but also refunding people money, um, just anyhow, it can kind of mess up your PayPal account. So make sure you don't just refund money. If it comes on hold, you kind of give it the time it needs to mature. If it's 21 days and there's nothing to do about, don't refund, just leave it. Otherwise, if you just refund your money, your PayPal will get suspended. Point number four is receiving a lot of money uh, above your average. Like, for example, you have been receiving like maybe $5, $20, something like that. Then out of blue, you get like $500. That is fine for the first time. Then next time maybe you get like $1,500. It kind of pieces of PayPal, and PayPal doesn't want to kind of risk. So it usually can suspend you and give you like for suspicious reason, and you are banned. So they don't actually explain that, but usually if you're kind of receiving a lot of money out of the blue, you may get suspended. So try to receive money in average, or if you're growing, let it grow slowly. Or if you receive a lot of money out of the blue, you may have to contact these guys on the message center of the incoming amount which you're going to receive. Maybe you are doing an advert. You can try to tell them you're running an advert, so you expect some money to be out of the average. Okay. So that is number four. Then number five, not answering questions from PayPal. So sometimes PayPal sends questions. They usually come on the dashboard. Okay. They usually come on the dashboard. So make sure you follow your notifications. Otherwise, if you don't read your notifications, your account will be suspended. All right. So you have to read the notifications from PayPal. If you're not sure you have a notification from PayPal, I always advise people to go to maybe paypal.com/restore/dashboard. Okay, paypal.com/restore/dashboard. If you have questions from PayPal, they will give you the reasons, or if they maybe kind of fired you, it will show you're fired, you're banned, something like this, as you see this account. So if you're not sure of the question that you have, always use restore/dashboard. If there are any pending questions, they usually you'll be informed. Okay. In this account, the next video, I will be showing you how you can kind of appeal to PayPal to unblock your PayPal. Okay, if it's kind of permanently blocked, there's a way you can reappeal. So please give me a subscription and you won't miss the video when I'm doing the reappeal for this account. All right. So that is number 4. Sorry, that is number 5. Receiving amounts which are above your average. Number 6 is having a content. You can link your PayPal or link on your website. So you may have a website which is selling things which are against which are pirated, like movies, like people's songs. So PayPal is against people who break a lot laws, that is infringement. So you can't sell someone's you can't use PayPal to sell pirated movies. Okay, your PayPal will be suspended. There's a way they can detect where the payment's coming from. So make sure that the link that you're putting on your website, the website actually, it's not it has no issues with infringement, corporate infringement, and PayPal is too sensitive about that. So don't use PayPal if you're going to sell pirated stuff. Don't use PayPal actually for anything which is legal. All right, don't use PayPal. Then number 7, using fake identity. So kind of some people have a habit of creating accounts, just go online, kind of use an ID. So unfortunately, if that ID was used by someone, because you're not the only person who knows how to search the ID. So if there's an instance of someone using the same ID, you're going to be all in trouble, right? So people sometimes they are suspended because of identity theft. They just usually use IDs from where. So, and PayPal doesn't give you why it has blocked you. So sometimes that's the reason why people get blocked. Okay. Then number 8, which is the last one, using donate link, yet you set up your account as a business account. All right. Donate link kind of looks like this. Okay. I'm doing online services. Yeah, I can receive donations, but donations should not be the main thing. I should be receiving normal payments like sending to my email, blah, 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 blah. But I can also have a donate, even if I just as a business, maybe I'm doing website design. It's fine to receive sometimes donations, but it's not good to overuse the donate link. Please note, because donate link kind of actually the fees charged on a donate link are fewer than when someone is paying you. So PayPal may take it as if you're kind of escaping charges. Okay, so don't use a donate link anyhow. You can use it once in a while, that is fine, but it should not be the main way you receive payments, right? So with those 8 points, those are the points that I realized actually which kind of make people lose their accounts. And in the next video, I'll be discussing about how you can kind of remove, how you can reappeal for this. Sometimes it's minor, PayPal will unblock you, but if it's serious, like identity theft or having chargebacks, PayPal may not really reinstate your account. So, but if it was just using maybe multiple devices, VPN, or just a minor thing, your account may be reinstated. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.